When I say okay, you just pass. Don't close.
This one is open already.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. That one is what size?
This one is 21 inch.
21 inch. You never called me just now. When you're doing that.
Okay, so important. Largest pizza in our shop.
What flavor is that?
It's Mustang Margarita.
Mustang.
That's it.
Only that? Okay, until there. Okay.
Uh-huh.